Alright, today's project is getting this, it's a 1960 Thunderbird convertible. It's been in this garage for more than 10 years, maybe 15 even. I got started doing the work, but I got sidetracked with all these other projects. Some of them paid money and some of them weren't paying too good, were just for fun. But the thing's been sitting a long time, it wouldn't start. Put new battery cables on, it turned over, and starter fluid made it fire. Got a gasoline thingy there. If you watch Cold War Motors, that's what they did yesterday on their Chrysler Imperial, and it seemed like a good way to put gas in it. So now it's just got to turn the key and see if it'll run. Can I stick the camera here? Yeah. Well, it's a little lopsided, but...
Yep.
Let's see.
There's actually something there.
Give it some starting fluid, or...
Starting fluid isn't...
Oh, that might even help. Oops. Set the whole damn engine on fire.
Alright.
Throttle.
Oh, now it's pumping gas. Ah.
Yeah. Well, the fuel pump's working. Think
That's
we should,
not a good thing.
I think we should hook it back up to the fuel pump. Does that gas smell bad?
I can't really. It's old, definitely. It smells old. I mean, it's still burnable though.
Yeah, alright. And I think we probably might as well hook that back up, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to start pumping gas, did we?
I didn't think it would either. Well,
That's going to be the fun part though.
oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you can dump it back into the carburetor.
Come on, get in there. Stay.
There. Dump
she
it
goes.
back into the carburetor.
So this maybe we go back on here. That was not fun either. Maybe the fresh gas will help. I don't know.
Yeah, so I changed the whole front nose clip on this whole piece here.
Yeah.
Because Thunderbird, like a one-piece body, it's all welded together and leaded. Like that piece across the front is all part of the same fender assembly. And it was all welded on. I had to drill out spot welds all along here and re-weld it all and put Bondo over it, and the front clip is done. And then it got sidetracked, you know. I've got to do these rear quarter panels that are pretty bad. And I bought new panels for it. I haven't put them on yet. Oh, in case you hadn't noticed, I took off the doors. But it was in much better shape than this when I first got it.
Yep. There. That should do it now.
Alright, so...
It's got gas in there already.
Yeah, so... Let me see, maybe I should be... I don't know if I can even see through this windshield. Tangled up in wires. I should probably get in there and work the gas pedal. Oh, the generator light is on. Does that mean
Out of the way.
Oh, I left the key on. Oh boy, that looks terrible out through there.
But you can get it out in the open.
Yeah. Oh, I think the brakes are locked up. I want to keep reaching for the key on the column. It's not there. Yeah, the brakes are locked up. Gotta break it loose. Eventually it'll have to break loose, huh? Maybe. I'm going to shut the camera off for a while. Okay. Well, it ran out of gas. I only had half a gallon or half a teaspoon or something. The seats are in good shape, but they don't look like they're brand new. So I'm going to redo them. I'm almost ashamed to throw away good seats, but I got to redo everything. I got a new pad for the dashboard, and well,
so you probably got a good gallon.
I moved it out about 6 inches since before the battery died yesterday, so it's getting dusty. I hooked up the battery charger overnight. Got the booster pack hooked up to it. Gonna try again. If I can get back into this thing. I don't even know if you could call this getting in or getting on. Still can't see through the windshield. There's the key down here. Oh, I'm killing the battery. I better go pump some gas into it. Well, she's out. What I did was I backed it up a little bit. It went backwards and then slammed it into gear, and it almost went the first time. The second time I backed up and hit it again, and she came out. So now I got to get it in there and see why the quarter panels and rockers have to be replaced. Back of it's pretty solid. The only problem is quarter panels. This one isn't all that bad. I bought new ones anyway. I don't know, maybe I should pull it up a little further out of the way so I can get the car out of that garage. Yeah, so now I've got to get this car out of the garage, put it back over there where the Tbird was. And, this one's been around for a while. I've got the Model A front section, fiberglass Model A doors, and I have no idea what this back section is. If anybody knows, let me know, because I've been looking it up, and most everything else has a line going down here. This one doesn't. Anyways, it was back there. I just moved it ahead so I could put this rear end in it. I don't know if you guys saw the April swap meet thing where I bought that chopped 41 Dodge pickup truck with a radical chop. And well, it's gone now. I sold it, made a little profit on it. But the reason I wanted it is because it came with this rear end. The rear end I had under here was from a Mach 1 Mustang, and it was just held in with clamps. But this one, you know, it's got this thing welded on there so that it can be mounted on the Ford rear spring. So when I saw that, I decided I wanted to buy the whole mess just to get this rear end. And now it's bolted in, and now I've got to move this out of here. So hang on while I do that. I've been working with the front end now, trying to get that to work. I've got a drop front axle, so I had to get some tie rods, and tie rod's supposed to go in that hole, and as you can see, there ain't no way it's gonna work. I got some new tie rod ends, but these are what they call split wishbones, and supposed to be hooked to the frame, and it didn't seem like it's gonna clear. Usually, I guess I heard of dropped tie rods, which kind of couldn't come underneath that and then up. But I don't know, it didn't seem very solid to me. So, boy, that, is it the caster or camber or whatever it is? It's leaning way back. And anyways, I got the tie rod ends, but I have to make a new set of split wishbones. So I'm gonna try to notch them out. So that take about half of it away. And maybe I'll be able to use a tie rod. If not, I'll work out something. Yeah, so this is what happens when you don't have a tie rod. It wants to go 2 different directions. And I keep turning the wheel straight and they keep doing that. So it's either a 2-man job, or maybe tomorrow I can get the wrecker going, just kind of pick up the front of that. And meanwhile, the poor old Tbird sitting outside the first time in 15 years or so. Well, I guess I'll go turn off the lights and go to bed. Good night, everybody. Well, looks like a mission accomplished. At least it looks that way. I got the Thunderbird in the front garage of the shop on the lift and ready to go. Put that quarter panel on it. But I didn't get the hot rod into that garage because, well, for one thing, it dragged the front wheel all the way over to here. And then I tried to lift it again, and the whole damn chain broke that was holding that winch onto the boom, because the winch that's on the boom doesn't work. So I got close, but not done yet. Now I don't know. I'll come back and try again later. The hell? I ran over something. Guess it didn't hurt any. Trunk latch. 49 Ford trunk latch. So I'm gonna give up now. Wait till I get some more help, or at least warm up my fingers, because I'm frozen from all this. I had to put air in the 2 back tires, and all kinds of trouble with the airlines before I finally got it to work. So I'm going to close this shop up and go inside and get warm. Well, there it is. Got the hot rod in this garage and the Thunderbird in that garage. 3-day project that should have taken a few minutes. Less than a half an hour. When the thing broke off the wrecker, the wheels wanted to go all different directions on the front. But my son Bill showed up with his pickup truck. We used this plank, put the plank up against the frame, and he pushed it in with his truck. And apparently when you're going backwards, the wheels want to go the opposite direction. Instead of pointing out, they both pointed in. But we got it done. Now the only thing left to do, I could have put this shit away before winter, is I got to pull a battery out of the Thunderbird to put into the wrecker so I can put the wrecker away. So I hope the battery's still good. I should have disconnected it when I parked the Tbird, but we'll see. The problem is I can't record all of this stuff and do all this work at the same time, so I'm going to have to shut this thing off and put the battery in the truck. Well, Murphy's Law strikes again. The battery was dead, like I was afraid of. Got the battery charger on it now, so I guess I'll call it quits for this video. I'll go upload it online, and I could use some subscribers. I'm getting close to 1,000. I've got a special show planned for the 1,000th video, or the 1,000th subscriber. So if you subscribe quickly, I'm at 958. I need I don't know, math ain't my strong suit, but I got to get 1,000. So hopefully this will do it.